Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Stripe. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to stripe.com and sign into your account. On the home screen, look for the Balance section. This shows your available funds. Click on it to open a detailed view of your balance. Next, if you haven't linked a bank account yet, click on Manage Payout dropdown. From this dropdown, select Manage Bank Account, then simply select Add Bank Account. Follow the prompts to add your bank details, including your currency, country, routing, and account numbers. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid transfer issues. Once your bank is linked, set up a payout schedule so your funds are automatically transferred daily, weekly, or monthly, whatever suits you best. Again, click on Manage Payouts, and this time select Manage Schedule Payout. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose how often you'd like to receive your payouts: daily, weekly, or monthly. Once you've set this up, your funds will automatically be transferred to your account according to the schedule you selected. And that's it. So that is how you can withdraw money from Stripe. So that's all for this video. Thanks.